Hello, this is Monty with M&J Farm. Today I'm going to change my whole house water filter, and I thought I'd bring you along. We have a well, and so I like to do it about every 3 months. It's probably been 8 months since I've done it, but every 3 months is my typical. Um, Very few items you need here. Of course, you need filters, and I really like these. They've worked good for us. These O-rings, I like to change them just so I don't have to worry too much about it. Pair of gloves, some food grade grease to go on the O-ring, couple drops of dish soap, and I like to get a bottle of clean water because I'll have the basically shut the water off. So let's get busy and do this. Okay, originally the water filter was underneath the house, and it was just a pain to get to. I put this box, I replumbed it, built this little box for it. And so now I've got our filter up here. And what I did is put on some shut-off valves. So now I can shut the valve off, and that goes into the house. I'll shut the main off down here. And I've got the valve shut off going into the house. Push our little button, take out any pressure. This GE Smart Water is really a great filter. And so I'll take my little tool. Okay, just screw this up. Okay, so I got the filter off. Very simple. Looks like it's about time to change it. I'll get rid of that. I'm going to, let me see if you can see this water in here. So, fairly dirty in there. And that's why we want this clean water. And everything out. Okay, I'm going to put a little clean water in it. Put just a drip or two of soap in there. Really clean this. Okay, that should be good. Okay, I'm going to put our new filter in. I'll put the filter and the tools, the equipment that I use down in the, if you want to buy it, put a new O-ring on. And the grease, this is food safe grease. I'm just going to put a little bit of that and rub it on the, just to make sure we get a good fit here. You don't have to change the O-ring, but a lot of times that O-ring will get stretched out a little bit. And I like to put just a little bit of grease on the threads here. Okay, so we're ready to put it back on. Okay, so we got our new filter, new O-ring. We'll just put that back in there. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna turn my main on. This red button, I'll let the air out of the filter. If you're gonna have the water off very long, you want to if you have an electric hot water heater, turn that off. For me, it's no big deal because I turn the house water off. Okay, so we're good to go here. No leaks. I'm going to turn that on to the house. And so that's about all there is to it. Very simple. I'm going to write it is, I think it's 27 December. Okay, and that's it.